Welcome to Kentucky Horse Country. If you find yourself in the central Kentucky area with a few extra hours, consider taking a scenic drive. Welcome back to the channel, folks. For those of you that are new, I'm Mary. I was born and raised right here in northern Kentucky. Created this channel for folks traveling to the Bluegrass State. We will be exploring the best of Kentucky, including Noah's Ark and the Creation Museum, as well as many other family-friendly adventures. The Commonwealth of Kentucky has 37 scenic byways. We'll begin our drive just past the Kentucky Horse Park on Ironworks Pike. Take a few moments to take a break at the Mount Orb Presbyterian Church. This is a very historic structure on Ironworks Pike. This congregation was founded April of 1827 at the home of Mary K. Bell Breckinridge, who was the widow of John Breckinridge. He was a U.S. Senator and Attorney General in Thomas Jefferson's cabinet. This picture here is believed to be from 1898. This building was struck by lightning and burned to the ground on a Sunday afternoon in 1925. The congregation immediately started the process of rebuilding the church, and it was dedicated in 1926. you're in the Lexington area to take advantage of everything that the Kentucky Horse Park has to offer, or maybe you're on one of those 37 Kentucky Scenic Byways and you'd like to stay in Lexington overnight, consider the ideal place to stay as the Avid IHG Hotel. It offers modern amenities, comfort, and convenience. Be sure and check out my recent video of my own hotel stay there. Thank you for joining us. If this video was a blessing to you, be sure to subscribe as it helps us grow our channel. Like, comment, and share. We always love hearing from our followers. This channel is journeying through history, faith in the heart of Kentucky. Safe travels. God bless.